Reversal Eye Complex, a breakthrough nighttime eye treatment designed to fight the multiple signs of aging around your delicate eye area. It's for mature, prematurely aging skin, including fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and loss of contour. Key to Age Reversal Eye Complex is the 0.1% retinol, which contributes dynamically to the reversal of fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage, and also darkened areas beneath the eye. Take a rice grain amount onto your ring finger, pressing your ring finger together and gently pat around your eye. Remember, Age Reversal Eye Complex is a nighttime treatment product, but if you want to use it during the day, follow with Total Eye Care SPF 15. Visit your local Dermalogica Skin Center to find Age Reversal Eye Complex and receive a personalized Dermalogica face mapping skin analysis and your recommended products.